Hello, we are going to be talking about checking our chemical concentrations, either for our detergents or sanitizers. It is very important that we have our chemicals at the correct concentration to do their job. In this video, we will be focusing more on PAA. We will later make videos on detergents and other sanitizers. Here I am taking a sample of a tote with sanitizer in it that holds our sanitation tools. In this first video, I am showing you a test strip. So I'm testing the PAA in this tub with a strip. So it's not as close to it with the titration, but it very well will tell you the results. So as you can see, there is 0 PAA left in this. I want to double check my test strip. So I'm going to do that by using a peracetic acid test kit and collecting 30 milliliters of the PAA from the tub. So I did the peracetic test kit and it showed that there was 0 PAA in the tub. So I'm going to dump the tub out and refill with PAA from a dosatron. After filling this up, I do the test strip and I see that it's between 100 and 150. I'm not quite sure, so I'm going to get my titration kit out again. Step 2, add 10 drops of the sulfuric acid, 50%, and swirl for 5 seconds to mix. Step 3, add 1 drop of potassium iodine and swirl for 5 seconds. Step 4, add 5 drops of starch indicator and swirl for 5 seconds. The sample will turn a blue-black. Step 5, this is when you're going to get your results. So you're going to add sodium thiosulfate and 1 drop at a time while swirling. So count the number of drops until the sample changes from blue-black to clear. And then you will, so the number of drops that you put in, you'll times that by 5, and then that will equal the parts per million of peracetic acid. So now it's time for me to record what I have gotten. So I write the date and time, and then I'm going to put the source of where the sanitizer came from. So that came from the dosatron, and then the type of sanitizer that is used. So I'm going to be using PAA. And I'm going to put my sanitizer concentration. So I need to be aware of that the peracetic acid limits I want is between 200 and 400. So I write it down. What my result was is I think it was 105. And so this is wrong. So I'm going to have to do something different, turn the dosatron up, so I can get 200 parts per million, and I'm going to have to retest for a corrective action. So I'm going to dump it out, fill it back up. I'm going to retest. I do it, retest. Do all the steps, 1 through 5. now I'm going to re-record my date and time. So this was about 10 minutes after, or less. No, write the same thing. PAA. And my concentration was at 205. So better now. So I'm in the range. This is good. I sign off. Make sure you initial. So these are different pieces of equipment that you would test the sanitizer or detergents in. You would test what comes out of the filling mixing stations. And here's me filling this up. And then I will test this and record this as well. I hope this video was informative for you all, and I hope you have a great day.